Hey friends, it's Akideris. So, I went on wikiHow again and decided there's just so many weird tutorials. When you type in anime, you start to wonder who made these? How to make a manga on MS Paint. Why would you do this to yourself? How to avoid becoming a weeaboo. Don't be an anime YouTuber. Because you will never, ever escape the wrath of the internet. How to buy anime without spending too much money. Okay, to be fair, that is useful. That is very useful. I don't care what anyone says. How to imitate Yato from Noragami. Eye maintenance. Smile, be hopeful, help old people, and have a tweeter. That's all you need. So helpful. Seriously, I couldn't choose which one I wanted until I found this. 3 ways to act yandere without being weird. Definition of a yandere.
Yandere is a Japanese word for a person who has an unhealthy romantic obsession. This is often used as an archetype in Japanese fiction where someone will simultaneously fit the sweet, romantic, loving, affectionate character type as well as the obsessive, dramatic, violent type. So let's just go look through some of these steps and go to the Q&A. Why not just help the community out?
And let's just hope I don't have to kill anyone today. Method 1. Imitate yandere sarcastically. Step 1. Choose a target who will be comfortable with your advances. So I have to find someone that is okay and understands that I'm going to be loving and kind in the beginning, but mess with me and I will show the most insane parts of me. Be the target's biggest fan. Can I go back a step?
Step 1. Choose a target who will be comfortable with your advances.
Be the target's biggest fan. No one will ever take you away from me, Radcliffe. Number 3. Protect the target from inappropriate advances. You've devoted yourself, heart, and soul to the target, so it's only fair the target reciprocates. Save up a Death Star grade stare down for when others try to get fresh with the target of your love. I can't get in the mood. I need to, feel the envy and the jealousy and, the low self-confidence I have really radiating through my blood. No one will ever take us apart. Number 4. Show deference to the target. What would you like to do, my love? That's a great idea. Show respect for the target's wishes and goals. He's such an inspiring human being. Aw, we look so cute together. Ah! There's a second method, which is dressing yandere, and I don't think that I have the- Wait. Is this better for you, my love? It is so beautiful. I don't wear much pink. However, this will be an exception. It is painted with the blood of your enemies. Isn't this outfit rad? How does this outfit make you feel? It makes me feel a little bit flirtatious. I bet the snitch isn't the only thing you can catch in your mouth. I like this outfit, and I think Daniel Radcliffe also likes soothing colored outfits as well.
10 points to Gryffindor.
Method 3. Sending yandere signals. Do I need a license? Number 1. Cue the beast mode. Yandere characters have a special look they use to cue when they're about to go on a rampage. Oftentimes, this is somewhat a creepy expression represented in animation by a shadow cast over the face. When people are interfering with you or your target, glare at them through your eyelashes to imitate this. Through my eyelashes? This looks so creepy. Holy shit. When he looking at her booty, when she lie into your face, when he call her best girl. The point of the expressions are to intimidate and to look insane. I see yandere faces that still look too cute. You gotta go above and beyond, dude. Let me care to demonstrate. And number 3, master your yandere laugh. Use a phone or an audio recorder to take a sound clip of your laugh. Listen to it. Your laugh should be cute with an underlying edge. Adjust your laugh little by little using the recorder to check the changes you have made. Do this until your yandere laugh is second nature. Up to yandere standards. Okay, some of you know that my laugh is very, different. I already have a pretty deep voice. I don't think I can really reach the range of even the normal standard pitch, but I'm gonna give it a shot. What the f- Whoa. Different. This is all comedic. None of this can be taken seriously. Note to self, do not ever voice act as a yandere in any English dub anime ever. End quote. No thank you. You get a call in the middle of the night and that's what you get. What do? Put it in the comment section down below. Okay, that's where I'm gonna end off this video. Hope you guys appreciated that really useless tutorial. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's look at some of the comments, because I can't tell if they're trolling or if these, like, are real questions. What if I can't fake laugh? Either keep practicing until you get good at it, or try to think of something funny to make yourself laugh for real. If I want to be yandere, can I be thin or fat? Is that possible? You can be skinny or fat, it doesn't matter. Whatever kind of body shape you have doesn't matter. It is who you are, and who you are doesn't matter when it comes to that. I like how even if you're going to be a two-faced psychopathic bitch, it's what's inside that matters. And who you are inside is very concerning. You're just misunderstood. You're filled with love. Hold on, let me put you over here. One big happy family. So that's where I'm going to leave off this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how'd I do. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more anime and otaku related content. And I will see you guys in the next jump cut video. Bye!